nawala ko kanina guys. Ma'am, cart, ano? Cart. Paano yun anuhin? Thank you sis Nibel. Thank you so much sa pag-renew sis. Hello sis Ellen, T-Channel, mega love shout out. Geraldine Life Channel, mega love shout out. Bigyan kita ng moderator. Pasensya na, wala ko kanina. Holograph 1, thank you. Tropang Pahinyo Vlog, good morning, thank you. Mom's Journey, thank you. Virgie, Ma'am Virgie, thank you. The Koreki couple, thank you so much. Madam Porita, mega love shout out. Bigyan kita ng moderator. Si Karki Lily. Hindi ko na naabutan. Magdikitan kayo dyan guys. Sis Tropa, thank you Sis Tropa. Magdikitan kayo guys, magdikitan kayo dyan. Channel na lang guys. I like to make tuna salad. It's yummy. Tuna salad. Please connect guys, Nibel YT channel. Please connect and support. Thank you. Gilitan ko na siya para yung asin papasok sa loob. Maayong buntag, Edmond. Thank you for coming in, Sir Edmond. Thank you. Maglagay tayo ng asin sa ating isda.